Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this one very routinely, and just I'm going to stay on it through the reverse split, which I thought happened over the weekend, but I obviously thought wrong because the share price has not changed. As I said in Friday's video, as far as the reverse split and the chart is concerned, nothing changes other than what's over here. The value of the shares will go up, but besides that, patterns, trends, all those things are totally the same, just the share price changes around. So with that being said, it's just, again, deja vu, to the max. And I talked about this quite a bit early last week when the chart was, starting to, do what it had been doing before. And it, just started to do that. And I made a comment, oh man, having a case of deja vu, and that has only continued. And, this was actually all before, the announcement of any reverse split. So it really just goes to show the power of charts. And it just continues down and down and down. Every single day is a new, box, if you will. So, I mean, that was last week. And then on Friday, you had the box there. And then new week, and hey, a new box. And not to insult your intelligence, but I'm sure you see that each box continues to get lower and lower and lower than the previous box. So in other words, bears are in total control, and the easy way to see that and continue to monitor that, as I've talked about in past videos, all revolves around the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price is below that purple line, the bears are in full control, and any sort of bullish action, should be looked at skeptically. Right here, yeah, here was some bullish price action, but that little bounce turned out to be nothing. There was, wow, but this thing's barely done anything bullish over the past couple weeks. But point being, even if it does start to bounce tomorrow, as long as, like I said, it's below that purple line, then in my mind, you got to look at it very skeptically and, still give the advantage, and the upper hand to, the bears. As far as support levels, I hesitate to even put this just because if history continues, this thing is going to get smoke tomorrow, but that's right down there around the 59-cent, 60-cent area. So that'll be a level of support going into tomorrow. So eventually, though, this trend is going to turn around. There's going to be some sort of bounce. It's happened time and time again. But the million-dollar question is, when exactly is that bounce going to happen? Your guess is as good as mine, but it's always worth keeping an eye on the chart. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.